Perspective in art is the technique used to represent three-dimensional objects on a two-dimensional surface. It creates an illusion of depth and spatial relationships. Objects appear larger when they are closer to the viewer. Conversely, objects appear smaller as they recede into the distance. This variation in size helps to create a sense of depth. Perspective is a fundamental aspect of realistic drawing and painting. Objects appear larger when they are closer to the viewer. This is due to the principles of visual perspective. The perceived size of an object is relative to its distance. As distance decreases, the object occupies a larger visual angle. This creates the illusion of increased size. Objects appear smaller as their distance from the observer increases. This phenomenon is due to the angle at which light rays from the object enter the eye. As distance increases, the visual angle subtended by the object decreases. This creates the perception that the object is shrinking in size. This demonstration will show the changes in perceived size. The goal is to illustrate how distance affects perceived size. Let's check out this playground slide from different perspectives. Looking at the slide close-up makes it appear giant in size. Conversely, looking at the same slide from a distance makes it look tiny. This exercise demonstrates how perspective affects the perceived size of objects in a drawing. The activity reinforces the concept of perspective, a key element in creating depth and realism in artwork. Perspective influences how we perceive the size of objects. Objects closer to the viewer appear larger. Objects farther away from the viewer appear smaller. This effect creates a sense of depth and distance. Changes in perspective can dramatically alter perceived relative sizes. Understanding perspective is key to realistic visual representation.